How to right click on your Minecraft in iPad. So we're just gonna go ahead and show you what kind of the same button or function was going to be for the right click. So over here we have an example in our desktop or a computer screen. So let's say right clicking. Right clicking will allow us to eat. Right clicking with a shield will allow us to use it like so. And let's say a spear as well allows us to hold it like that, other than the left click, of course, and other kinds of consumable items like your potions or those kind of stuff that allows you to right click in your normal computer. But in your iPad, of course, it's going to be slightly different since you don't have a mouse when you're using your iPad, of course. So what you're gonna do is mostly just holding your screen. So as you can see, if I hold my screen, it's the same function as right clicking on my computer. And let's say we want to eat. Right clicking will also do the same. We can't eat since we have full health. Let's say we want to use, oops, my screen went left. Let's say you want to use your Ender Pearl in your computer. I think it's also right click, but in your iPad, it's usually just holding wherever you want in the screen, and then it just throws it as well. So again, it's usually just, what was that? It's usually just holding the screen like so, or crouching, since in your computer right clicking will give you a shield. If you're using a shield, all you have to do is crouch. But that's pretty much the general idea on how you could technically use the right click function but on your iPad. So hopefully the information of this video can help you, and if it can, please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and that's all.